Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 5A and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here, choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Afterwards you need to find the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. So let's open the first tray right here by using some Thumber tag or special eject tool. Here I have the simple Thumber tag, it's enough. Let's just press it right here. Now you can remove the whole tray from your device. And here you can insert the Nano SIM and micro SD. So let me insert the micro SD at first with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put it that way. Let's insert the Nano SIM card right here. Sorry, in that way with the characteristic edge right here. Alright, let's have a look. This is the properly prepared tray. Now let's put the whole thing into your device and let's just press it to the end. Alright, I accidentally switched on my device, but it's good. We can check out how our cards works. You can also use the second tray if you would like to use the dual SIM. Let me just show you. If you remove the second tray, you can see the place when you can insert the second SIM card, also the Nano SIM card. Alright, in my case let me use the regular one SIM card. Let's wait until the device turns on to check out if our card works properly. Alright, let's unlock the screen, find settings. Let me increase brightness at first. Alright, find settings, choose SIM cards. As you can see, the device is reading our first SIM, so it's a good sign. Let's go back. Now let's select the storage. So let me find the storage right here, and the device is reading our portable storage, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.